love through open hands. Every tear became a guide, teaching strength I hold inside. Walls of grace around my soul, healing pieces to make me whole, learning care through patient time, turning pain to peace divine. The weight of love can